Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. It go shock you, not be smart, no. Ndume has come out to accuse Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. He said he must report Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu to Nigerians. He said he must tell Nigerians what Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu has been up to. Yeah, he said he must tell Nigerians. He said, listen, guys, this thing is going out of hand and nobody is saying any single thing. Everybody is quiet as if all is well. Everyone is just quiet, pretending as if all is well. He said Bola Ahmed Tinubu, what he did is that Tinubu sneaked out, begged lawmakers to support his candidate in the 10th Assembly, which he said was Godwin Akpabio. He said Bola Ahmed Tinubu wanted Godwin Akpabio, and he did all he could to ensure that Godwin Akpabio got there. He said they saw it, they noted it, they saw what he did. Don't forget that our former brother Ahmed Lawa, who had been the Senate president, has just gone. He's been replaced now by Godwin Akpabio. And he said, listen, guys, what happened is that there is a trick going on somewhere there. There's trick going on somewhere there. And every single individual needs to understand that there's something going on. He said Bola Ahmed Tinubu sneaked out, went to get people to support Godwin Akpabio. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Tinubu sneaked out, begged lawmakers to support his candidate in the 10th Assembly. We saw what he did. Ndume, senator representing Borno South District, says President Bola Ahmed Tinubu sneaked out to beg some lawmakers to support his preferred candidate for the 10th National Assembly leadership position. Speaking on Tuesday in an interview with Channels Television, Ndume said the president dispatched his foot soldiers to deliver his Senate presidential candidate. He said the foot soldiers went out. He has already given instruction, and he went out to convince other senators to vote for him. Earlier, Godwin Akpabio, senator representing Akwa Ibom Northeast, was elected Senate president after pulling 63 votes to defeat his challenger Abdulaziz Yeri, who scored 46 votes. Barrow Jibrin, a senator from Kano, was declared deputy Senate president. Tandu Abbas, a lawmaker representing Zaria constituency in Kaduna, was elected speaker, while Benjamin Kalu from Abia State was declared deputy. The new leaders of the National Assembly got the backing of the national leadership of the All Progressive Congress and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who Ndume said went out to ensure that these guys who he wanted got the positions. Reacting to the development, Ndume said the president is an experienced politician, adding that he convinced many lawmakers to support his preferred presidential candidate. When I contested the last time, 2019, everyone was on the other side because the party and president endorsed Ahmed Lawa, he said. Again, this is what we are seeing and experiencing now. It is almost a repetition of the same thing. Don't expect anything different from Ahmed Lawa's time. The party and the president had preferred candidates, but this President Tinubu is an experienced politician who has played a lot of politics. He displayed by putting out his foot soldiers, excuse me, to complement and go out to campaign for Akpabio. Efforts that were made the difference. The vice president assisted us. However, Tinubu won. Tinubu is not a man you can push aside. He knows what he's doing. He's a strong man. So you can see for yourself that even within the group, there already alliances are being formed. Different persons, different people are beginning to say their experiences and what they see, what they are seeing happening. So let me tell you, there is something seriously not right going on. He said Bola Ahmed Tinubu is showing and is displaying some very interesting position in terms of ensuring that his candidate gets what he wants. He said Tinubu did not come there. What he did is that he sent the foot soldiers. He ensured that he went out, and he ensured that he began to, put things in place so that the people can come out and vote the way he wants. Well, Nigerians, the days are upon us where we must take a stand. Because if you don't stand for anything, sweetheart, you stand for nothing. And so it is important that we all begin to ensure that we look at this and we see all the necessary and true things of what we need to do to bring Nigeria out of the current predicament, to change the course of what is going on right about now. Don't forget that Nigerians, every single one of us, okay, have a part to play. So nobody should push you aside. You have a voice, you are important, and you should not allow yourself to be toasted here and there because some people feel that you have nothing to say. That's not very true. If you want to look at the whole Nigerian politics, in fact, you kind of see a kind of a bullying pattern, going on there. But the truth of it is that whatever happens, we all are responsible for the consequences, of our actions. And so we must be careful in ensuring that we display and we come out well in bringing out all of this so that we are not, left in a limbo. Nigeria must become great. The country must become better. And we must do all we possibly can to change the course of what is happening today. Remember that every time there is need for the change, what do we do? What do we do? It is important that we begin to see this from the eyes of truth and reasoning so that we do not stand and watch evil continue to display and have his way in our midst. Nigeria belongs to each and every one of us. And whatever happens, we are all in this together. We cannot allow evil to continue to display and to manifest itself freely, in our very own vicinity, in our country. Change must come, and we must be partners in ensuring that this change happen. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Bye for now.